Hello and welcome to Challenging Behaviors, the informative Zoom for parents of children birth to 3 years. I'm Diana Oler, School Readiness Coach. Challenging behaviors. When first encountered, children's behaviors can be downright baffling. Behaviors have meaning and are a form of communication. Your child needs your guidance to figure out how to cope with their emotions as they communicate through their behaviors. Common challenging behaviors could be meltdowns, outbursts of anger. They might even say no when they mean yes, or they act out in frustration, possibly with aggression. Think about, what is your child telling you? Practicing self-regulation and control. Behaviors tell us that a child can't figure out how to express what they are feeling in a manner that is acceptable in our society. Adults can respond to the child in a manner that helps them to show their feelings in a more positive and constructive way. Practicing self-regulation control in the moment. Communication is key in learning to cope with feelings. As you hold a distressed infant or toddler, model taking slow, deep breaths and demonstrate calmness with your own body language. This helps to soothe your child, and they can learn to imitate. Number 2, have empathy and validate. Label how your child is feeling. For example, I know you're angry, you are crying, I'm here, and you're safe. Number 3, allow your child to make choices that are appropriate for their age. So consider offering 2 choices that are acceptable to you. This gives your child confidence and empowerment of control. When your child is calm is the time to teach about feelings and problem solving. Teach your child words to use to express themselves, how to ask for help. Babies can be taught sign language as early as 5 months. But remember, pair it with the spoken word. Read books about feelings and teach feeling words. Identify physical characteristics that show what is happening with our body and how we feel. Observation is key. To understand your child's behavior, try this, using the ABCs of behavior. A refers to the antecedent, or the event or activity that immediately comes before a problem behavior, also known as the trigger. B refers to the observed behavior, and C refers to the consequence, or the event that immediately follows a response. Using the ABCs. Antecedent. Identifying what happened right before the behavior occurred can help us to avoid it or approach it in a different way. B is the behavior. The behavior is your child communicating, even if it is an inappropriate way. It is their way to satisfy their need. C, consequence. What happens after the behavior determines if your child will repeat the behavior. If their need was met, then yes, they will use this behavior again. You may need to change the consequence so that you can alter the behavior to be appropriate and meet your expectations. Handling big, strong feelings and behaviors. This is no easy task as a parent, and I can assure you that it can be done with some practice. Wrapping it up, we hope this information is helpful to understand challenging behaviors. You can contact Paola Correra, our family link, at 720-767-2885 if you have questions regarding this presentation. Also, join us at the live Zoom Q&A where we will talk about your topics of interest presented in these Zooms. Thank you and have a wonderful day.